Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on Google Map. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and check our Google Maps. Open it up. Now tap on your profile at the very top. And then just go ahead over to settings right here. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and find navigation settings. Tap on it. And then once done, make sure under mute state in guidance volume is set to unmuted and louder. Play voice over Bluetooth as well. Play voice during phone calls. Play audio cues. Enable these options. Okay. And then once that's done, actually you're good to go. You can then go ahead and test it out. Now, if that shouldn't work, close the app. Gotta find the app icon, Google Maps. Tap and hold. If you're using Android, information right here at the very top. I gotta find storage. Tap on it. Tap on clear cache first, and then tap on clear data. Delete. Close it. I gotta find Google Maps again. Log back in if asked. And then once that's done, gotta check if it works. Now, if that won't work, maybe it's a problem with your Bluetooth and car radio. Let's say if your phone is connected to your car via Bluetooth. Google Maps might be sending the audio to a source you're not currently listening to, like trying to play through your car's Bluetooth media channel while you're listening to a standard FM radio. So you have to check it out as well. All right. Maybe you're currently not connected to the car's Bluetooth. So make sure that your phone is connected to your car's Bluetooth so that it will be able to play audio, of course. And also make sure that the car is not muted. Okay. Use the volume function and check it out. Those are the simplest ways to fix no sound on Google Maps. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.